After a long, stressful day, your body and mind deserve a moment to unwind. Imagine releasing all tension, calming your thoughts, and sinking into complete relaxation. Tonight, let's flow through 10 gentle yoga poses that will melt away stress and prepare you for deep, restful sleep. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin. 1. Child's Pose Flow. Let's start by sinking into stillness with Child's Pose. Gently bring your knees wide, touch your big toes together, and melt your chest down towards the mat. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the day melting away. With every breath, let go of tension in your shoulders, your back, and your mind. Allow yourself to soften. This is your moment of surrender, a place of safety, calm, and deep relaxation. Stay here for a few more breaths, embracing the stillness, and when you're ready, gently rise up, carrying this sense of peace with you. 2. Cat-Cow Flow. Let's awaken the spine and release tension with the gentle rhythm of cat-cow. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Now, take a deep inhale, arch your back, lift your head, and open your heart. This is cow pose. Feel the stretch in your chest as you expand. Now, exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and press the ground away. This is cat pose. Feel the release in your back as you let go of any built-up tension. Let's move with your breath. Inhale, open, exhale, round. Imagine each inhale filling you with new energy, and each exhale washing away stress. Flow through this for a few more breaths, embracing the movement, the breath, and the stillness within. 3. Seated Forward Fold Flow. Take a moment to find stillness. Sit tall with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, lengthening your spine, reaching your arms up. Now, as you exhale, begin to fold forward, leading with your heart. Let go of any tension, any expectations, just surrender to the stretch. With every inhale, create space. With every exhale, soften deeper into the pose. Feel the gentle release in your hamstrings, your lower back, and even your mind. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them, then let them drift away like clouds. This is your time to slow down, to be present, to simply breathe. Stay here for a few more moments, and when you're ready, gently rise back up, carrying this sense of peace with you. For Supine Twist Flow, lie down on your back and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, hug your knees into your chest, feeling grounded and supported. Now, gently drop both knees to one side, allowing your spine to twist and your shoulders to stay relaxed on the mat. Extend your arms out wide and turn your gaze in the opposite direction for a deep, gentle release. With every inhale, feel space opening in your spine. With every exhale, let go of any tension or stress stored in your body. This twist not only releases tightness in your back, but also soothes your nervous system, preparing your mind for deep relaxation. Stay here for a few breaths, then slowly switch sides, allowing your body to find balance and restoration. 5. Legs Up the Wall Flow. Find a comfortable spot near a wall and gently lie on your back. Bring your legs up, resting them against the wall, and let your arms relax by your sides. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, feel your entire body begin to soften. This simple yet powerful pose allows your blood to flow back toward your heart, relieving tired legs, calming your nervous system, and easing any stress or tension from the day. With each breath, surrender a little more. Let go of any lingering thoughts, any worries. This is your moment of complete relaxation. Stay here for a few minutes, feeling lighter, calmer, and fully restored. And when you're ready, slowly bend your knees, roll to your side, and return to your space, carrying this deep sense of peace with you. 6. Butterfly Pose Flow. Find a comfortable seat and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Sit tall, lengthening your spine as you take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, gently fold forward, allowing your body to soften. Feel the gentle stretch in your hips, inner thighs, and lower back. With every breath, release any tension you may be holding. Imagine stress melting away with each exhale, leaving you feeling lighter, calmer, and more at peace. This pose helps release stored emotions and promotes deep relaxation. Stay here for a few more breaths, embracing the stillness, and when you're ready, slowly rise back up, carrying this sense of openness with you. 7. Standing Forward Fold Flow. Stand tall, grounding your feet firmly into the earth. Take a deep inhale, reaching your arms up overhead, lengthening through your spine, and as you exhale, gently hinge at your hips, folding forward. Let your head hang heavy, releasing all tension from your neck, shoulders, and back. With every inhale, create space. With every exhale, surrender a little deeper. Imagine stress, fatigue, and worry dripping down from your body, flowing out through your fingertips. Feel the gentle stretch in your hamstrings and lower back, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Stay here for a few more breaths, embracing the stillness. And when you're ready, slowly roll up, one vertebra at a time, bringing this newfound lightness with you. 8. Reclining bound angle pose flow. Gently lie down on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Rest your hands on your belly or by your sides, whatever feels most natural. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, allow your body to fully surrender into the mat. With every breath, feel your hips opening, your heart softening, and your mind quieting. This pose gently releases tension from the hips and lower back while calming the nervous system. Let go of any stress, any tightness, just breathe, just be. Stay here for a few more moments, soaking in the stillness. And when you're ready, gently bring your knees together, roll to one side, and rise up with a sense of peace and ease. 9. Happy baby flow. Lie down on your back and gently hug your knees into your chest. Now, grab the outer edges of your feet or your ankles, bringing your knees wide toward your armpits. Keep your feet flexed as you softly rock side to side, massaging your lower back against the mat. With each inhale, feel a gentle stretch in your hips and inner thighs. With each exhale, let go of any tension, embracing a sense of lightness and ease. This pose invites playfulness, reminding you to release stress and reconnect with a sense of joy. Stay here for a few deep breaths, allowing your body to fully relax. When you're ready, gently bring your knees back to center, hugging them in before releasing into stillness. 10. Savasana. Gently lie down on your back, allowing your arms to rest by your sides, palms facing up. Let your legs fall naturally apart, releasing all effort. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, surrender completely into the mat. Feel the weight of your body melting into the earth. With each inhale, invite in peace. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, any thoughts, any worries. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this moment of pure stillness. Let your breath flow effortlessly. Allow your mind to soften, your body to rest, and your heart to open to deep relaxation. Stay here as long as you need, embracing this state of complete surrender. And when you're ready, gently awaken your body, carrying this calmness with you. Now that you've eased your body and quieted your mind, take this feeling of peace with you into bed. Let go of the day, surrender to the stillness, and allow yourself to drift into deep, restorative sleep. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next flow.